Y'all, I have never used the butterfly board with the insect attachment, so this should be interesting. Y'all, we are going to start with cutting some 10-inch squares. Y'all, we're going to cut about 20 of each color. So I have no idea how many we're going to need. Let's add some zip ties. Y'all, I am gonna try to just use the normal holes and see if it looks okay. I'm also gonna try to skip this outside edge. We'll see how it goes. Just to see what it looks like before we keep going. All right. So we have our mesh. We have our two cut edges. All right, we're gonna fold it over tip to tip. Then I'm going to fold it again. So this corner down here to this corner, and this corner down here to that corner. All right, so now you've got this fun little shape. Then I'm gonna just pinch it right across here. All right, y'all, now all the edges that would have frayed are hidden down here. Right? So now you shouldn't have any issues with fraying at the top. I just don't know what kind of coverage we're gonna get. With this design. Y'all, and I'm doing this fold because I didn't want to take out the wood burner and cut it. All right, so let's add our next row of zip ties. The next layer of mesh is a lot thinner, which is why I'm gonna go ahead and use all of the spaces. Y'all, I would rather cut out a zip tie than try to go back and add one. So we've got that next layer in there. See how much thinner this mesh is? So curl side up, fold over, tip to tip. Fold it over again. You can even see like how much more this is fraying than the other one. All right, I like it with the shared hole with them being this close together. All right, now I'm pulling it down into that zip tie right about where it starts to curl over. All right. Y'all, I'm just gonna fluff those out real quick. Y'all, I may take my scissors and just trim this real quick. That way I can actually see the next set of holes. Let's get our next zip ties back out. All right, on the pink, I'm gonna try again not to use the shared holes. All right, so there's our 4. Y'all, I am gonna trim these down just a little bit. So you can see I skipped the first row. I did 1 in the regulars. Then on the yellow row, I did the shared holes and then the main, and then just those, and then just these. All right, y'all, I think that's gonna be pretty. With this right in the center. All right, let's get our zip ties in here. All right, so far this method looks like it's gonna take about 18 of the one color. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 22 of the second color. All right, on the yellow ones, I'm gonna trim them down. Yo, I'm mainly trimming the yellow ones down so that I don't have to fight with all that fray. So as the holes are getting closer together, I am trimming these tails just a little bit. That way I don't have to fight with it as much. All right, let's get our 3 yellow ones right here, and then let's see what we can figure out. So I think I'm gonna grab a pipe cleaner to try and attach this. Y'all, it's because we're in a metal building. It's probably not even raining loud. If you guys have ever watched any of our videos of the rain, it's like a sprinkle and it sounds like a thunderstorm. So I'm electing to put pipe cleaners just because I think it would be easier to do a pipe cleaner and get it where I want it and then pull it tight on the inside. I want the tail hanging off further at the bottom than the head. All right, now I'm not gonna make this tight yet so that we can get the top done. Y'all, I'll flip this over so I can show y'all. I went with ease of use versus trying to maneuver my hands around under there. So this way, yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of wasted pipe cleaner that I'm gonna cut off, but I can pull it as tight as I need and then give it a good twist, right? All right, let's trim these down. Actually, this one I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna come through this hole and this hole. And I'm gonna make this a little door hanger right here. Now on the bottom, I'm just gonna use that to kind of wrap it and hold that piece down so that we have a smooth edge. All right, y'all, now you can kind of take your petals and move them around and manipulate them. All right, y'all, that's it for tonight. I am gonna go check on the dogs and Parker, all right? You guys have a good night.